Information gathering, the harvester tool in Kali. The objective of this program is to gather emails, subdomains, hosts, employee names, open ports, and banners from different public sources like search engines, PGP key servers, and Shodan computer database. This tool is intended to help penetration tester in the early stages of the penetration test in order to understand the customer footprint on the internet. It is also useful for anyone that wants to know what an attacker can see about their organization. Here I opened Kali Linux operating system. Just give command the harvester and search for the targeted organization. -D stands for domain to search or company name. -L is limit the number of results to work with. And -B is data source. So let me target the Microsoft.com. You can see number of results for Microsoft.com. Here you can see email address information, hostname to IP address information, Shodan database information, Then you can target another domain. Let me target my company that I was working. Here you can see email address information of the targeted domains and also subdomains information and IP address of it. So, thank you for watching this video. Extracting a company's data using Web Data Extractor. Let me log into Windows 10 operating system. I opened Web Data Extractor. Now click on New. Define target website name. Target website name is hackthisite.org. We need email information, phone number, faxes, and extract meta tag information. Click on OK. And then just click on Start. You can see meta tag information, keyboard information, email information, phone numbers, faxes, we can see lots of meta tag information of this website. So thank you for watching this video.